don't believe it.
Michael Maloney, he is your homie. You're not alone. Pick up the phone. He's been a stone. He stay elected. He play trombone. Michael Maloney. Hey, packing your bag, grabbing your shoes, screaming at the zoo. A visit to the city and maybe the zoo. Ooh, Michael Maloney.
I don't believe it. Hey, ciao! It's me, Michael Maloney, and welcome to another video with me, Michael Maloney. Many people ask me, Michael, what is your favorite coffee? Well, my favorite coffee is the home coffee. So today we're going to look at how to make coffee like the Starbucks. Hey! Let's make a coffee like the Starbucks. First of all, I have to put in some beans into my grinder. It's so cool, and it's a real safe because it only works if you have the top on. Let's try and do the grind. So cool, I love it so much. Now we pour this into a container. So good, so good. I love making the fresh coffee at home. There's never any mess at all. So lovely. Next, I get my spoon. Here it is. And I get the coffee. Let us take a look together. Next, you take this here and you place your coffee inside. It's so good. And this is a great little spoon because on the end you have a little pushy down thing where you go, oh, okay, hello beans, you go down, nice, yes. Always talk to the coffee, it is your friend. Then we can put this back onto here, like so. At this button here, we get the coffee, just like at the Starbucks. But we need something else. We need our favorite mug. I love this mug, it's so good. Place underneath. A cue at the time lapse. And ciao, just like this, it's so easy to make the coffee, just like the Starbucks. Oh, it's so nice. We call it an Americano, but I call it a Melonecano. Check it out. Ciao.
Michael Maloney.